you've ever been involved in roof inspections, whether it's for commercial properties, construction, or insurance, you know it can be time-consuming, risky, and expensive. But what if you could inspect a roof in minutes, without ever leaving the ground? That's where drones are changing the game. Traditionally, roof inspections meant ladders, safety harnesses, scaffolding, or even renting lifts, all of which take time, require multiple people, and carry safety risks. Now with drone technology, inspectors can capture high-resolution photos and video, thermal data, and even 3D models, all from a safe distance. The real benefit? You can get detailed, accurate visuals of the entire structure, including hard-to-reach areas, in a fraction of the time. No more guessing from the ground, and no more sending someone up on a slick or unstable surface just to see what's going on. Modern drones are capable of using technology such as 4K cameras, zoom lenses, and thermal imaging to detect everything from heat leaks and water intrusion to structural damage and missing materials. Drones are making roof inspections faster, safer, and more accurate than ever, and as technology continues to evolve, the process will only get smarter. If you're ready to integrate drones into your inspection workflow, talk to C6 Drones. We'll help you choose the right hardware, get you the training you need, and make sure your operations are safe and efficient. And if you found this information to be helpful, feel free to drop a like and subscribe to our channel, or leave a comment on other content you'd like to see from our team. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.